Alright y'all, so Joshua here, just got the camera out. We just dropped off the bike this morning, drove her out on the freeway for the first time into Post Falls. If you haven't or need any work done, I recommend my buddy Kevin. Awesome guy, I know him from back working at BMW as a salesman then, but he lives in Post Falls and it makes more sense for him to just commute right here. But he's got an awesome little motorsports shop. I definitely recommend you hit him up. Here we're going to take some time and got it all fixed up already within like 2 hours. And I'm just going to take it a little dip and swim, so we'll do it. Alright, so we just got done swimming, packed up, and just threw down by the river. Show you where we're going. So basically it's a motorcycle shop off Southeast, just north of the river, along these little back dirt trails. Pretty cool little spot, especially if you got a little dirt bike. You can bring it out, take it back here pretty easily. But we're just gonna head across, watch out for rattlesnakes, and jump up over the hill that way. So hope you guys watch. I'll GoPro up the ride home so you can see some of Post Falls too. Peace. Yeah, you got it, bud. Alright, so yeah, we're just leaving the river, and
what we need to do is spend a day in my garage with it. Your neck bearings are loose, not your bicycle bay.
yeah.
They're just harder to drop to the bicycle. Yeah, when I do hard front brakes, you know I'm locking up down to the front.
Right.
So
So what we're going to do is, apparently the audio didn't even record, but got the video, and the case fell off anyway, so I got my battery pack. I'm just going to stuff that in here, and we'll have to do the side view, but it's not a bad thing. And then just get her mounted. Go, nice and vertical view. Now what we have to do is start the audio without messing it up. Alright, check. Alright. Everything's good, rolling. Gonna put everything in the pack, so we're just gonna have wires like crazy hanging around me. Should be able to find everything pretty nicely now. And now that we know she's running super solid, let's go find our road. Alright, everything's on. Let her run here for a minute. Tasty. Alright. I was gonna let her kind of go a little bit more. The choke open. Couple more seconds. And we'll kill her down, make sure she's running the fuel. He is right though, everything's up and open, and he just replaced that line. I guess the line there really just needed more flow. Now, I did burn myself on the bottom of the muffler because when the camera fell, I reached under the bike. Ooh, I think I was in second. Well, still eased into it. Definitely was in second. Yeah, figuring her out real quick. I just got to remember that it's a carbureted bike. Just be a little extra patient with it. Yeah, that's a hill. Hill's holding me to my speed limit, 35. I'm going 40, almost 45, but still. Another road. We're connected, we're good, we're hooked up. down, the brakes, defense mechanism, and speed. So the only exception to that I would foresee is when someone's tailing you. But a lot of the time I was just used to kicking down to 65. People were very mindful and respectful, none of them being crazy, kind of just letting me butt around. And by the time I really got over to Idaho and really cruising, I did have a decent headwind, but all in all it felt way more comfortable than I kind of thought it would, to be honest. I had only put her on the freeway for like a mile and a half, 2 miles right near home the first ride, and right after I got the helmet, just because I needed to definitely make sure that I could. Learning slowly. Yeah, see? And look at this. I think I know exactly where I'm at. Appleway. Sweet. And that's the road I want to be on. Back to Liberty Lake. Let's go. Woohoo! Alright, make sure we're still attached. Still gonna be careful turn. So I'm much more comfortable with this road. So yeah, first day we went on the blues right from close to home and around Spokane Valley. Second day we went out to Liberty Lake and went around and back through Spokane Valley. And now you get the full all the way to Idaho and back. And something just hit my helmet. And everything's still attached, so I think what I have is good. Probably just my strap. I haven't been very good about attaching my head strap. It just nails me every once in a while. But yeah, now we get that back road from Post Falls into Liberty Lake and enjoy the thrill of a little bit more speed gradually every day. I'll do my best. I'm going to try to put together the plan so that I can consider riding this thing out to the gorge on the back roads. I'll just stay to the north side of everything and all highway, go to Cooley, and then drop in. I just need to really figure out what time and what kind of time I need to be anticipating. And it's so dry out there, making sure I bring ample hydration, and maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just wait for another better weekend because it is a festival and we're going to be working so much as it is. The end of it all, I don't know if I really want to absolutely have to only worry about getting the bike all the way home at that point. You're so exhausted after a weekend of people watching at concerts. But I think it'd make the experience even better. be getting on the freeway here. But I'm gonna take the smarter freeway entrance. Take that roundabout, too sharp and annoying. I'll take this roundabout, it's spoiled. Come back at it. Get used to her in here. Time for the freeway. So, wish me luck. Alright, we are good. Gotta get up to speed. These guys are going fast. Just kidding, guys. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, we don't want to really ease up relaxation, even though we're close to home and off the freeway. Just because we're not gonna crash now at 70 miles per hour doesn't mean we can't just as easily crash at 25 and have it freaking hurt like a bitch. So yeah, getting this bike really down on the ground, touch ground, feels real nice after all that. Oh, stretch it out. Make sure we are recording, wire's good. I hope you're still recording. Yeah, you're going. So oh, nice. Lift my face mask, get some air. Alright, we got green. As soon as other people start moving, we start moving. I actually kicked her up twice right there. Staying in third. That's the thing that's been sensitive with this so far. Sometimes I'm like, I can't tell if I actually got it kicked up all the way or, you know. I tend to tap it more than I should. And then I wonder why I don't have the speed I'm looking for. Hey, look, we got another biker. Let's try and catch up to him. Come on, traffic. Give me some gaps. Whee! Yeah. Get out of the way, Ford. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to kick over early here. And watch out for that stupid bum. And make sure everything goes through. And then we'll go put the signal back on. And we're not gonna catch him, but we're gonna make it right up the hill. Real nice and easy. Do. I gave him my hand signal because I don't think my back blinker is working there, but woo, we absolutely made the longest road trip of my young riding life. And we are totally made it home. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Holy cow. Survivors again. Oh yeah, she feels real warm. I feel real warm. Alright, let's go get some of this stuff on off. Hey Kiwi, hi, come here. Hi girl, you're so pretty. Alright. So, there you have it. Ooh. Alright, so there you have it. Peace. I'm going to try and kill this the same time that I kill the audio, so I can sync it up. Get the glasses off. Strap's not done. Alright. So, alright, an hour. Okay.